Welcome to day 7 of our 30-day countdown towards our Further Maths GCSE. So yesterday's question, we were given the nth term of a sequence, which is 2 minus 4n squared all over 3n squared. And one of the terms is minus 31 over 24. Work out which term. So that's kind of like our part A. Our part B was asking for our limiting value of the sequence as n tends to infinity. So let's start with this A. So we've got our sequence 2 minus 4n squared all over 3n squared. And we want to know which term, which value for n equals 31 over 24. So this is a solving question. So first thing I'm going to do is we got an n squared on the bottom. So I'm going to times both sides by this 3n squared to cancel that fraction here. So on the left, we're going to have 2 minus 4n squared, and on the right, we're going to have minus 31 over 24 times by 3n squared. I'm not going to multiply it out just yet. I've got a fraction on the right-hand side, so I'm going to get rid of that by multiplying both sides by 24. That cancels there. So on the left-hand side, we have to multiply everything by 24. So 2 times 24 is 48. Minus 4 times 24, well, double it and double it again. So we're going to have 24 doubled is 48, double it again is 96. So we've got minus 96n squared. And on the right-hand side, we're going to do 3 lots of 31, which is 93. 93n squared. So we're going to solve it. The first thing we're going to do is get rid of the least amount of our n squareds, and the least amount of our n squared is the minus 96. Remember, minus 96 is smaller than minus 93. So how do we get rid of a minus 96? We're going to add 96 to both sides, or 96n squared to both sides. They cancel, so we're going to end up with 48. 96 take away 93 is going to be 3. So we're going to get 3n squared is 48. So we're going to divide both sides by 3. And then we're going to square root. So n equals 4. So the fourth term is minus 31 over 24. So that was part A. Part B was our limiting factor. Limiting value. So we got 2 minus 4n squared over 3n squared. And we want the limiting value as n tends to infinity. Now, as n tends to infinity, both the n squared terms are going to get very, very big, but this 2 is going to become insignificantly small. So as n tends to infinity, this is going to tend to minus 4n squared over 3n squared. The 2 becomes insignificant. So here we can now cancel the n squareds. So our limiting value is going to be minus 4 over 3. So today's question is an identity. We've got 3x plus a multiplied by 4 minus x is identical to 20 minus 3x squared plus b, and we're asked to work out the values of a and b.